Do you guys have wired Apple CarPlay and tired of connecting it with your USB cable? And you wish it wireless like this? Well, look no further. This MMB MAX Multimedia box got you covered. Hey, what's going on guys? Welcome back again to my channel. So I received this MMB MAX Multimedia box from Joyeauto official store. This device will conveniently convert your wired Apple CarPlay wirelessly. Apart from that, this device is very powerful to the extent that it will transform your factory infotainment system into full Android operating system. This will allow you to download tons of apps and even games on Android with its built-in Google Play Store. This device is running Android 10 with octa-core CPU. It uses MediaTek 6765 chip. It has 4GB RAM and 64GB of internal storage. Expandable up to 128GB via micro SD card. Okay, now let's unbox this product. So this is the MMB MAX Multimedia Box 2.0. It has very smooth texture with glossy finish. And at the back, it has metal shell with perforated plastic material to prevent the chip from heating. Next one we got is the user manual. The instruction is written in both English and German. We got USB Type-C to Type-C cable. We also got USB Type-A to Type-C cable. You can choose between the two for your car's connectivity and compatibility. We also have micro HDMI cable to connect to the car's HDMI, which you can use if you have screens in your back row, allowing your passengers to watch high-definition movies or videos. This device has built-in GPS that will give you accurate location when using maps or navigation apps. On top of the device, you will see a USB Type-C port and a micro HDMI port. And at the bottom, there's a slot for nano SIM card for data or internet connection and a slot for micro SD card. To insert the SIM card or memory card, just pull the cover to open. Then put your SIM card, which is located to the second slot, which is on the right side of the device. Gently push it with a pin or just your fingernail. Then close it by just putting the cover back. Now let's connect the device to my car's USB Type-C port. Some car uses USB Type-A, so just choose what compatible cable to be used. Okay, let me just insert this cable. Now, let's wait for the device to boot. It's now lighting up. That means it is now starting up. And there you go. So that's the boot animation, and I believe it's changeable. The same as the previous MMB MAX model. Okay, so we got safety warning notes here. Make sure to read it. Once done, just tap agree and accept. So this is the user interface of the MMB MAX Multimedia Box 2.0. It has very nice layout. I really like the design, very modern looking. The layout is changeable. Also the apps and the widgets. As you can see here in my screen, I replaced some of the widgets and added some shortcut apps. The MMB MAX Multimedia Box delivers a new in-vehicle experience with endless entertainment with HDMI out support. It comes with preloaded Netflix application, Disney+, Hulu, and YouTube app. Okay, let's try the Netflix app. Let's play a quick movie and let's see the quality of the sound and the video. Let's try this one. Okay, let me just turn the volume down to avoid copyrights. So as you can see on my screen, the quality of the video is good and it has superb sound quality. I don't see or hear any distortion to my car's audio system. It has pre-installed Hulu app as well. This also allows you to watch any content, shows or movies. But unfortunately, I don't have account, so we cannot test this app. But it's good thing that this comes pre-installed already. Who doesn't love Disney Plus? This app also comes preloaded. If you cannot find the movie on Netflix, it might be available here. Oh, by the way guys, just a disclaimer. I don't recommend you guys watching movie while driving. Always safety first. That's the important thing. Distracted driving is a big no-no. Always think the safety of yourself, your passengers, and other drivers as well. Okay, this device also comes with Google Assistant. You can ask anything to Google by tapping this app. What's the weather tomorrow?
It'll be partly cloudy, with a high of 23 and a low of 10.
You can also set this up instead of tapping the app. You can just say, "Hey Google," then ask or command. One cool feature I like on this device is that it has dynamic wallpaper or video wallpaper. And what makes this cool is that it has sound or music in the background. The background video is also replaceable. You can even download video backgrounds you love. I'm just going to turn the volume down because it might be a copyrighted music. Okay, let's try other background video. That's a very nice graphics. Okay, so let's try one more. So yeah, that was cool. You can also download background videos and save it to the device. This MMB MAX Multimedia box supports wireless Android Auto. It's very easy to set up. On your Android smartphone, just open your settings and turn on your Bluetooth. Tap the device name, which is the Zeus 416B. Tap Pair to allow Bluetooth pairing request on your Android phone. And there you go. The Android Auto is now connected wirelessly. So if you are using USB cable to connect to Android Auto before, now you don't need that anymore. By the way, this is only a one-time setup. It will connect right away if you tap the Android Auto app. So same thing with Apple CarPlay. You don't need your USB cable anymore to get connected. Just go to your iPhone settings and turn on your Bluetooth and search for the Zeus 416B. Now tap on it and allow Bluetooth pairing request by tapping the pair button. Tap allow to sync your contacts. And let's just wait for a few seconds for the Apple CarPlay to load. This is only a one-time setup and you don't need to go over again. And there you go. You are now connected wirelessly. You can now access your compatible apps from your iPhone. And also, you can now make phone calls even if your iPhone is in your pocket. Now, if you want to go back to the Android home screen, just tap this Android icon right here to see all your Android apps. Alright, if you can see the widget in the middle, we have a digital speedometer. Let's test and see if it's going to work when we drive the car. Okay, so let me just wear my seatbelt here. Now let's go back up. It's already dark here, guys. So as you can see, the digital speedometer is working while we slowly drive. Let me just back up a bit. Okay, now let's increase our speed a little bit. This is a park, so I can't really speed up or drive so fast. There are lots of people walking, but as I can see here on my dashboard and on my head-up display, the speedometer is accurate. I got the same speed as the widget showing on my screen. Okay, now let's try testing the navigation or the Google Maps. Let me just search or make a route.
Heller's NOFRILLS Winnipeg may be closed by the time you arrive. Turn left onto Pegasus Drive.
Okay, so it's giving me the right location where I am in, as well as the direction. So I can say the maps is working properly.
In 600 meters, turn left onto Main Street, Route 52 South.
When I am driving, I like listening to music while my navigation maps is on. That's why the split screen is very important to me. Good thing that this device has that feature. So I can easily access my playlist and see the direction from the maps as well.
Make a U-turn at Polson Avenue, then turn right onto Luxton Avenue.
So if you guys like this product, you can check it out at Joyeauto official store. I will post the link in my description and in the comment section below. Thank you guys for watching, and I hope to see you again on my next video.